pupunta po tayo ngayon sa CSI Dagupan para sa job fair.
So, Pangasinense, see you there. Punta kayo.
Ten so dark you cannot see who I'm riding with. Diamond glisten all up in my watch, can't tell what time it is. Diamond clusters all up in my watch, they got you blind as shit. I tied a beat up, then I fuck it, yeah, I'm on some violent shit. Woo! Don't wanna tell
Okay, so it's already 9 AM. So, andito na kami sa CSI for the job fair.
you again. Woo! I might tell the
So, nandito tayo for registration muna na
bitch to bring a friend. Drop the top and open up the roof, now that's a quick stop. Only real diamonds round my pink, you got on ring pops. Cartier around my fucking wrist, take off that wristwatch. Crew is something serious, don't mess with us, you hearing this. Thinking you gon' make it to the top, man, you delirious. I'm only spitting real shit, I'm only writing weight up off my back. I got all of the shit that's on my chest with
Hi, Madrid, Philippines.
cup, I'm spilling it. You spill out your whole heart, I don't have
Hi, Madrid, Philippines.
shit. If it's whack, I don't want that.
Hi, Madrid, Philippines.
But I swear I am your father.
Hi, Madrid, Philippines.
Father, motherfucker.
Hi, Madrid, Philippines.
He's talking and they hating. I
So far, so good. As you can see, makapal-kapal na yung mga resume. Ibig sabihin, madami-dami na yung naka-apply sa Madrid. And it's still 1:30 in the afternoon. So, inaasahan namin na dadagside pa rin yung Madrid.
You use your hands, you need new socks up in this bitch. I swear I gotta love T-Town, I lock up in this bitch. I swear to God, I swear to God, I swear to God, I got it.
Hi, Madrid, Philippines.
Hi, Madrid, Philippines!
A lot of people down like a limbo. Yeah, girl, she get
Hi, Madrid, Philippines. Hi, Madrid, Philippines.
heck, I'm snapping pics.
Madrid, Philippines.
Call it hot sauce, I got
Hi, Madrid, Philippines.
Hi, Madrid, Philippines.
it off, I'm popping off now. The way I run my city, swear I got this whole town. I'm locked up in this
guys,
bitch.
so natapos na natin yung mega job fair dito sa CSI. So ngayon, uwi na tayo, punta na tayo sa office. And we're expecting a lot of applicants na magka-qualify doon sa position na hinahanap natin. So, see you guys there.
I'm always lying, she always crying. I'm buying because I'm flying. Maybe I'm biased to getting money. This ain't even funny, you a joke though. I got her legs up and my hands are in her throat. Oh, she love it, I know she love it. Fuck easy.